Yes, we have several ways to know that whether someone loves you. Kuna njia kadha za kujua ama mtu anakupenda, kwa sababu ikiwa hakupendi you are going to not kwa sababu kuna mambo kadhaa tu unajua. First and foremost is about communication. If this person is not fully communicating with you, hamkui mkiongea, it means that this person doesn't love you. Then there is this thing that I have heard from both sides, that is from girl child or boy child. They are both complaining about relationships. First and foremost, kuna kitu ya kwanza inakuwa you are in a relationship with a wrong person, is it a long time or at the right time also, something like that. Lakini mtu ambaye anakupenda hawezi kumaliza even a siku without communicating to you, and that's why we are getting so many challenges on both sides, kwa sababu unakuta huyu nini chari hakupendi, doesn't communicate with you. Jiulize, at the beginning he was communicating or she was communicating with you every day. Kuna hii kitu ingine alikuwa na kutext, you are replying instantly, but after kuendelea, maybe this person is no longer in love with you, he or she is not responding at the right time. Huyu mtu atakaa kama masaa 6 respond. It is like sending a message at this time, that is, let's say umetuma message kama saa 2 ya usiku ama saa 3, but this person is going to respond at maybe 12, maybe at 1 za usiku, at the time that anajua hata pengine hata umelala and you cannot reply at that time. This person is trying to confuse you, like he or she is busy, and that's why she's not fully communicating with you at the right time. Sijui ama mna get. So the backbone of the relationship, I hope and I think, is communication, because if you are not communicating, there is nothing that is going to be happening or nothing that is going to be going on. Hakuna kitu kitakuwa kinaendelea without communication, because things moves on because we are communicating. Do this, let me do that, I do not want to, like that. I hope muna get. So if this person anatumia kama zile WhatsApp funny, like, by the way, hata it is fully known that kutumia GB WhatsApp sana sana zinatumiwa na wakora. GB WhatsApp in relationship zinatumiwa na wakora. Then kuna hii kitu ingine, kuna mtu anatumia disappearing messages. This person is not mature actually. Kuna mtu ambaye anatumia hiyo WhatsApp GB ili akikublue tick you cannot see, kwa sababu hata akiona itakuwa tu kwa grey tick. It means hata huyu mtu akiangalia hiyo message na hata reply at that time, you cannot note that because hiyo message bado iko kwa critic. It means this person is immature. Mtu mwingine anatumia na ako kwa relationship, disappearing messages, it puts a lot of so many questions. It is either huyu ni mtu ni mkona ama hakupendi, kama hakupendi, and that's why he or she is using disappearing messages, kwa sababu pengine kuna ukona anafanya na hataki kujulikana. That is another reason. So, ladies and gentlemen, it is either you are dealing with a lady or a girl. You are dealing with a man or a boy. And remember, a girl is someone who is not mature. A boy the same. But a man is someone who is mature. A girl is someone who is not mature, but a lady is someone who is mature and ready to move on with the relationship. I think that is the reason to why so many people are crying in relationship, because they went to relationship with children, with immature people. That's the right language to use. Ukienda kwa relationship na mtu ambaye ni immature, we are going to have that commotion. Na ndio maana unapata it is either the girl is complaining or the boy is complaining, because one of them is immature, and that's why it is very difficult for that relationship to be successful, kwa sababu kuna mmoja aliingia kwa relationship akiwa serious na mwingine akaingia kwa relationship akiwa hako ready ama serious. The other thing that we can learn in relationships, it is how you handle things on social media, that what you post on social media platforms, that is Facebook, WhatsApp status, chenye huyo mtu ana post kwa status and he or she is in a relationship, you can tell whether this person is mature enough to be in a relationship. Kwa sababu kuna zile message unaona mtu akipost, sijui usiponiongelesha sijui hata mimi sitakuongelesha, something like that, and this particular person is in relationship. It means this person is immature and this person is not ready to be in a relationship. So ladies and gentlemen, don't cry again. Check your communication. If your communication is good or your communication inakaa kama vile tumesema, know that you are not in a good stable relationship and you are going to suffer later and you are going to cry. Otherwise, it is good to know the kind of a person you are dealing with so that you cannot come later on and say that you did not know but now you are crying. If there is no communication in your relationship, ama nyinyi ni wale watu huwa wanangoja ati kuna mwenye anzia relationship mina communicating conversation ili na wewe uendelee. That is totally immature. And by the way, I treat this as immaturity of high level, because how can a mature person wait for me to send a message to you so that you can respond? By the way, how can we even start bargaining about who is supposed to start the communication first? I believe I know in relationship there is no personal hakuna mtu ambaye anasema you are the one to start the communication ama wewe you are the person to start the communication. If both of you are in a relationship and you are in love, even sometimes you are supposed even unataka kupigia huyu na huyu anataka kupigia, so hata zinakutana. I think that is what is supposed to be there. Tuma message if you are waiting for me to say to speak to you. Tuma message kwanza, hata afadhali na wewe kuwa umetuma zikutane. That is something sensible. But if you are there like una hii kitu huwa, and I know, twende pale kwa comment section and you're going to tell me. In relationship kuna watu wengi sana huwa wanaona their partners wako online. It's like seeing my partner ako online na mimi niko online, lakini hakuna mtu ana communicate na mwingine, kwa sababu huyu anangoja huyu communicate na huyu mwingine anangoja anzie kutuma message ili conversation ianzie, but wako both online. You can see them online like 1 hour or 2 hours, but they are not communicating. That is immature relationship, because these people, they are not mature. So let us be mature so that we can save time and our relationship. I'm the Gati Manager in the Gati Manager TV. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, and don't forget to share. Till next time, thank you. By the way, na wale wenye wanaendelea kusubscribe, I do not take that as if for granted, but I humble again. Thank you for your continued support, esteemed viewers of Gati Manager TV. Thank you.